Mask Production. Hey guys, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a recreation of this Jazmine Sullivan look that I saw on her Instagram page. She posted it a while back in September or the end of September, but it's a bomb look and I just really want to recreate it for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing this, just keep watching. Okay, you out. What? Okay, let me prime my lids because yeah, I'm all over the place today. Let me prime my lids. I'm gonna conceal them because I'm done with eyeshadow primer. Today I'm gonna start with my Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to take Smarty Pants as a transition shade. The next shade that I'm going to is also from the Tartelette palette, and it's Rebel. The next shade that I'm going to go into is from the Tartelette palette, of course, because that's what I'm using today. It's called Leader. My finger's in the way. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is cut my crease. I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It is in shade NC30. I'm going to go back into Leader from the Tartelette palette to darken up the outer V area. I think that's what it's called. Anyways. Bitch, you bad. Okay. Now the eyeshadow she has on, it is like a peachy, don't give me the line. It's like Mask Production. It's like a peachy red color. Let's see. Bam, bitch. So I'm going to use my Karity palette and I'm going to go into Cancun and apply it to my center lid. Okay guys, so I'm going to use my Anastasia Sundipped Glow Kit and I'm going to go into Moonstone, and that's what I'm going to use on my inner corners. The next thing that I'm going to do is going to give myself a wing liner. I'm going to use my e.l.f. liner. Okay you guys, so I know I'm looking kind of weird, but that's because I set my face with Airspun. Well, I'm baking my face with Airspun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use this. Oh y'all, something is on my nose. I'm going to use this NYC Color Wheel the All Over Bronze Glow. Yeah, I came back like y'all know what I was doing off camera. So, I know I'm not going to be looking at the camera, but I went ahead and did my primer, foundation, and concealer because it's the same thing that I've been doing in my previous video. So if you haven't watched my previous video, then you already know. If you have not, go back to one of my previous videos and look. If you really want to know my foundation routine, you can go back into my previous videos and see. I use La Base Pro primer, Teint Idole from Lancome's foundation in 420 Bisque, and my concealer was Effacernes concealer from Lancôme as well in medium Bisque. I set with Airspun, and now I'm going into what I told you guys that I'm going into. And now I'm going to use Clinique A Glow Blush, which I hit pan on this, and it's a lot in there, so we're gonna go with it. I really love looking bronze, so like a lot of my stuff is really bronze. But yeah, I like this because it gives off some shimmer to it if you see it up close, and when it's mixed with my highlighter, it looks so pretty. Y'all should invest in this. I'm put a little bit on my nose. Yes. Look at that. And I would say that if you're like darker complected, this would be a really pretty highlight. And now I'm going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I'm gonna which one I want to use today, y'all? The same one. I'm gonna mix these two. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna mix them too. Anywho, for under eye, you can't really see her under eye, so I'm just going to repeat what I did on the top. But the only difference is I'm going to take that coral peachy color from Karity palette, and I'm going to apply that first underneath. So I think this will be cute. So I'm gonna do my lip a little bit different than she did hers. She just have a plain matte nude lip. I'm gonna add matte chestnut to mine. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use Clinique. It is matte suede. Okay, you guys, that's it. I'm looking at myself still, you guys. That's it for me. The lip is a little different. I mean, I'm trying to see what y'all think about it. So comment down below what y'all think about this lip. Well, comment down below what you think of the whole look, honey, because I think it's cute. I need to fix this part right here. I ain't worried about right now. Anyways, you guys, comment down below what you think of this lip as well as this whole look, because I think it's cute. I think I'm cute. I mean, I don't know how I feel about the lip yet, but y'all know that I'm just stuck in my comfort zone with my lipsticks. But I think I like it. I think I'm gonna wear it to work today. But yes, I would like your opinions on this, so please comment. I want you to comment if you want me to recreate anything, because this is not going to be the last time that I recreate a look. I would like to thank the people who have subscribed to me. I am at 100, well, a little over 100 subscribers, and I'm hoping that my page continues to grow. Please invite your friends and family if they like makeup. If they don't like makeup, invite them anyways. Please thumbs this video up, and also let me think, share it. Yes, share this video with everyone. Just share. I think I already said this, but I can't stress it enough. Share this video to help me grow my YouTube family, and it can let me know that y'all want to see me some more. I mean, y'all gonna see me regardless, so but you guys, The music that I'm using in my video today is from Mass Productions 93. I'm gonna link the YouTube down below. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed the music that's in this video. Please go and check out Mass Productions music. It is some fire music on that page, y'all. Y'all missing out if you're not already on her. Go and subscribe now and let her know that I sent you all to her page. Show her some love, you guys. We all need help. We all need to come up. So yes, just say that you were on the bandwagon before everyone does, because I know y'all like to say that. I was there before everybody else. So go ahead and be the first ones to go over there and check out her music. But yeah, I got other things to do. I'm on here rambling, so I hope to see y'all in my next video and some of y'all friends as well. Yeah, that's it.